Hi guys, this is Lucky from Lvxin Packaging. Today I would like to show you our new product, a semi-wet press sugarcane paper portrait for electronic. Look at this one. It's made from the sugarcane paper. You can see the surface. The one side smooth and the other side a little rough. Best of all, you can print your logo or your QR code on it. Every printing design comes out sharp and clear, letting your customer learn about your product directly on the package. This sugarcane paper isn't just look great, it can provide stronger protection to fit your product. The error cavity is customer designing for your product fit perfectly. We don't just make the part package, we also produce the external box or color box like this folding carton box. Let me assemble it for you. You will see every size fit perfectly, ensuring the product wouldn't move or shake during the shipping. If you are looking for the eco-friendly package and the good protection for your product, just contact us today to get a customer design and free sample to check out. Thank you guys.